YouTube, and we pulling up the Wawa right now. I'm about to show y'all how much it costs to fill up a 2021 Dodge Durango RT with premium gas, of course, 93 only. Y'all see the Wawa's right there. Cadillac can get around here, and we gotta go to IKEA this week too. Need a better desk. Come on, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing? Small gas station. Here. Can you take a good picture of the truck? $9.35. Only premium. Yeah, put her in there. I don't want to see how much it costs to fill up. Yeah, it's kind of like a new IKEA. See if I can give me a good little thumbnail. I don't know if mommy thumbnail was good or not. We'll see. Yeah, like I was saying, bro, it's been raining. That's why she look like this. Don't talk about me, Mom. Yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all when she's all the way full. Alright, y'all. Done filling up the Black Pearl. Y'all asked how much it costs to fill up a Dodge Durango RT.
Dare to combine.
There we go.
Stop inside and try sweet
At $3.95 a gallon. A little under $100.
Hers makes flavors that make you go, oh.
All the way on E just for y'all.
The zestiness is unreal. That is delicious. Yeah, I would move here for these. Taste for yourself.
Oh, man.
Pay and save with the Wawa app. You can earn 5 points per gallon with Wawa.
Write this off. Y'all know how that go. Oh, man. We gotta go to the front. Don't litter, y'all. Let's fill out the truck. Yeah, I'm gonna throw that away for you, baby. You can keep that. Does it stink? No, don't open it. Don't open it. Just mold it. Don't open it.
Oh, okay.
It's gonna stink.
This is a perfectly good container.
Yo.
What's going on here?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't got a lot of content for y'all. We leaving Sunday Funday right now. Sunday Funday usually like around brunch, but we leaving Sunday dinner right now. I'm gonna give y'all some Revs. It's not a cold start. This joint been warmed up a little bit. We came to the gas station. This joint closed. I need a lighter, but yeah, I'm about to give y'all some Revs right quick. Man, again, thank y'all for the likes, comments, and subscribers. I really appreciate y'all. We on the road to 500. I swear to God, bro, when I get to 500 and I start getting paid for this shit, bro, I'm giving y'all, this shit's coming back to y'all, bro. Y'all don't have to do no type of little ticket jumps, none of that, bro. We not doing no giveaways where you gotta buy shit. We doing straight giveaways where y'all don't have, when y'all subscribers, y'all enter. Straight like that. Yeah, that being said, we about to get y'all some Revs right quick. Yeah. Something slight. Let's get to the content, man. Man, that pizza is good. Damn, that pizza good.
So look, we just went.
My man right here rocking out. Open right now. We need a lighter bag. Please be open. Please be open. Oh y'all, we got the lighter, man. Oh shit.
This drink is bad.
Don't show this right here.
Okay.
Show something else. Oh yeah, that's sweet. Right there. Oh.
We're not that far from home.
move in this joke. Like a real live movie, like a real live video game. If you wondering about getting an RT, go ahead and grab it, man. Who cares what everybody think? Yeah, it's not no cat. Yeah, it's not no scat. If it's in your budget, go ahead and grab it, bro. You don't have to do what the next man do. Do what you can afford. Do what you love. If you really want this, go grab it, bro. I could have got a scat. I could have got a cat. But I got a family, so I decided to get this right here. If you know how to drive, you can move anything. finna turn this off. Cooling with my girl, probably listen to some music. I don't want to get a copyright. But again, man, thank y'all for the likes, comments, and subscribers, man. I really, really, really appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. Y'all don't understand, man. Bro, once I get to 500 subscribers, bro, I'm able to feed my family from this YouTube shit. So please, please, like, comment, and subscribe, bro. Send this to y'all man, send this to your girl, anybody who like cars. I told y'all we got the Alias Fam vlog coming soon, or the page coming soon. Anybody who got a family. I'm young, I'm 27, my girl 23. And yeah, we got a 2-year-old daughter. Hopefully more on the way. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, man. Thank y'all. Like, man.